Is John Doe present in the court?
I am here on that matter as the authorized representative of the defendant, and will cross the bar retaining all my unalienable rights per our prior agreement.
I'm going to ask you if you wish to have an attorney appointed for you, or do you wish to represent yourself?
I am the authorized representative of the defendant. I will speak on behalf of the defendant.
Are you an attorney, sir?
I am not a bar card-sanctioned attorney.
If you are not an attorney, you cannot represent another in this court. So you will have to get an attorney, or agree to represent yourself.
Will the state judicial officer give me his or her name?
This is not about me, it's about you. I can't hear you unless you agree to represent yourself by signing this Ferretta form.
Are you stating that unless I have a license to practice law from the state of California, I cannot represent another in this court?
Yes.
I will need to verify that our opposing attorney present his state-issued license to practice law.
We are discussing your right to be heard here, not the DA's. Bailiff, give the defendant a Ferretta form to sign.
I object. The alleged judge is showing prejudice in favor of the prosecution by holding different standards to speak in court by not requiring the prosecutor show his required license to practice law.
Quit objecting, Mr. Doe. You have to proceed with the requirements of this court or you will be in contempt of this court.
I sign the Ferretta form by crossing out the words defendant under the signature line and signing it without prejudice. By calling my name as authorized representative and state I don't understand everywhere a box asks if I understand.
I see you don't understand the consequences of your actions and you signed it as authorized representative. Okay, now I'm going to read the charges against you. You have been charged with exceeding the speed limit. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
I don't understand. This court has not demonstrated it has any jurisdiction, has not presented a valid sworn complaint, has not proceeded under the requirements of the California Constitution, and has not presented a valid plaintiff or any facts to support the defendant injured or caused the loss with criminal intent.
I'm going to put not guilty down for your plea.
I object. I have not refused to plea and the court has no power of attorney to speak on behalf of the defendant. However, as authorized representative for the defendant, I accept that by speaking on behalf of the defendant you are accepting surety for the defendant and are showing your intent to defend the defendant in this matter. Thank you.
I'm going to set trial for 3 weeks from now. I order you to appear 3 weeks from now.
There is no point to come back to court as you are now surety and reprinting the defendant. Good day.